Hi guys. In this video we continue the collocations consist of noun and adjectives. The first letter of the adjectives in this part is E and F. First part is, adjectives start with the letter E. Early days. A time which is too soon to make a judgment or come to a conclusion about something. Example. His new research progress well, but it's early days. Early riser. A person who habitually gets up early in the morning. My friend is an early riser, usually up by 6 a.m. Easy money. Money that's made without working hard. Not everyone can make easy money on the stock market. Easy target. Someone or something that's easy to attack, criticize, cheat, or steal from. Example. The soldiers on the streets are an easy target for terrorists. Economic growth. It means steady growth in the productive. Example. This chart shows the economic growth in the United States. Educational game. A game that helps students to learn better. Example. Educational games are very useful for students. Empty promise. It means a promise that its maker probably won't fulfill. Example. Jack usually makes empty promises to his little sister. Empty words. The meaning is words that have no meaning. Example. Peter said he'd never drive fast again, but they were just more empty words. Entry-level job. It means a job at the lowest level of pay. Example. Daniel has got an entry-level job in sales. Equal rights. The meaning is the same rights for everyone regardless of races, genders, classes. For example, employment law provides equal rights for women. Essential services. It means basic public needs. Example. The government provides her children most essential services. Ethical investment. The meaning is investing in companies whose activities or products are not considered harmful to society. Example. Ethical investment is changing the way that companies work. Ethnic minority. It means a group of people with a different culture and different traditions. For example, the populations of ethnic minorities have increased significantly over the period of 20 years. Even number. Any number can be divided by 2. Jack always thinks even numbers are lucky in lottery tickets. Elderly person. Someone who is old. He was arrested for stealing money from an elderly person. Endangered species. A species of animal or plant that is seriously at risk of extinction. Wolves and elephants are endangered species. Emotional intelligence. The meaning is the ability to identify, understand and manage your own emotions or the emotions of others. Example. I like to read books about emotional intelligence. Extended family. It means a family unit including grandparents, parents, children, aunts, uncles, and other relatives. Example. My sister and I have been grown up in an extended family. Second part is adjectives started with the letter F. Firm friend. It means a friend you like a lot and intend to keep. Example. We met 5 months ago and soon became firm friends. Fair deal. It means a reasonable deal or transaction in business. Example, he got a fair deal when he sold his own car. False impression. Something that you believe is true, but actually it is not true. Example, Jack was under the impression that you were married. False teeth. Artificial teeth. For example, her false teeth look too white to be real. Familiar face. A person that you know individually. Lucy felt a bit lonely when she didn't see familiar faces at the party. Fatal accident. Its meaning is an accident that causes someone to die. Example, that was a fatal road accident. Firm friend. It means a friend you like a lot and intend to keep. Example, we met 5 months ago and soon became firm friends. Fatal mistake. A very serious mistake that has terrible consequences. Example, marrying him had been the fatal mistake of her life. Fast-flowing river. The meaning is a river which is flowing rapidly. Example, swimming in a fast-flowing river is very dangerous. Far-off destination. It means a place which is far away from you. We are flying to some far-off destination next month. Fussy eater. It means someone who is not easily satisfied or very high standards about what to eat. Example, don't worry about my father, he is not a fussy eater. First-time buyer. It means a person who is buying a house or an apartment for the first time, especially by borrowing money from a bank. For example, being a first-time buyer is a bit tricky. Fashionable boutiques. The meaning is a small shop that sells fashionable clothes. Example, the street is popular with its fashionable boutiques. Flash flood. The meaning is a flood of great volume that happens suddenly, usually due to heavy rain. A lot of people were drowned in the flash floods. Fat-free food. It means food that contains no fat. She wakes up at 5:30, goes jogging and eats only fat-free food. Fresh food. The meaning is food that has been recently produced, picked, caught, or prepared. Example, it is difficult to buy cheap and good quality fresh food in an urban area. Fair-minded person. It means a person who is just and impartial, treats everyone equally. Example, he is the most fair-minded person I've ever known. Friendly smile. It means a kind and pleasant smile. Example, Sarah gave Tom a friendly smile. Flowing hair. It means hair that is long and hangs down freely. Alice has long black flowing hair. Foreign, international, overseas travel. It means the activity of traveling abroad. Example, international travel has expanded my international view.